Welcome back to the channel where we take terrifying exam specs and make them slightly less traumatizing. Today, Edexcel B Geography Paper 1, also known as Why is the Earth Always Angry? We're covering everything: hazards, development, and cities. Basically the world, but explained like you're 5, with ADHD and a deadline. Let's start with the atmosphere, Earth's giant hairdryer. It has 3 cells: Hadley, Farrell, Polar. Think of them like 3 people arguing over the thermostat. Low pressure equals rising air and storms. High pressure equals sinking air and calm weather. The equator is hot and the poles are cold. Winds curve because the Earth spins, so the Coriolis effect. Before humans existed, climate changed naturally. Volcanoes can send surprise ash clouds into the sky. Sunspots sometimes make the sun act extra spicy. Milankovitch cycles are Earth doing a slow, dramatic wobble. Then humans arrived and said, what if we burned everything? CO2 rises, temperature rises, and ice melts. Tropical cyclones form when the ocean is basically a hot tub. Warm water plus low pressure plus rotation equals a spinny death frisbee. The impacts depend on wealth. HICs can evacuate, LICs often cannot. Tectonics. Earth's crust is a cracked creme brulee floating on hot custard. Convection currents move plates and plates collide, separate, or slide past. Constructive margins produce volcanoes. Destructive margins cause big earthquakes and explosive volcanoes. Conservative margins create sliding chaos and earthquakes. Remember, earthquakes hit differently depending on wealth and preparedness. Development asks, how nice is it to live here, using GDP, literacy, and life expectancy? Some countries developed early while others did not because of colonialism, geography, and politics. If you don't know an answer, globalization is the exam's UNO reverse card. Top-down development is governments building giant dams. Bottom-up development is villagers building a well. Top-down projects cost billions, while bottom-up projects sometimes cost biscuits. India is our chosen emerging country, and it is growing fast. Growth drivers include globalization, FDI outsourcing, and a young population. Call centers and services multiply, creating jobs and traffic. Impacts include more jobs, more pollution, more inequality, and more skyscrapers. Urbanization means people move to cities because rural areas offer drought and no jobs. Push factors push people out and pull factors pull them in. Cities evolve like Pokemon from rural to mega-urban chaos beast. Megacities like Mumbai grow faster than your homework pile due to location and migration. Informal housing appears, inequality becomes massive, and transport is often a suggestion. If you've ever been stuck in traffic, congratulations! You've completed 40% of this topic. And that's the entire paper 1 spec. If you watch this whole thing, you now know more about geography than 90% of the population and 100% of your cat. Good luck in the exam, and remember, if you panic, just draw a diagram.